Hi, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Roof Rough Sleeper. I'm Johan Elof, and today we are looking at something that may change how you view those living on the street, not just socially or spiritually, but also biologically. I want to introduce you to the modern day Lazarus, someone who may look like they have given up on society, but it's actually fighting an invisible battle deep within their cells. You may not know this, but about 10% of people are born with some form of mitochondrial deficiency. That means their cells don't produce energy the way most people's do. Mitochondria are the powerhouses of the body, generating biochemical energy for thinking, moving, healing, and coping. So imagine this. You are born into a world that demands constant performance, constant connection, constant hustle, but your body can only do the bare minimum. Every task costs you dearly. That's not laziness. That's a cellular reality. Now let's look at how this plays out on the streets. When your energy is limited, you naturally simplify your life. Avoid commitments. You shy away from environments that require constant interaction or obedience to schedules. This can explain why some rough sleepers, especially those who have tried shelters, end up back under the bridge or in an alley. It's not rebellion, it's survival. Shelters can be chaotic, loud, rule bound, and overstimulating. For someone with a mitochondrial deficiency, that's overwhelming. In Luke 16, we read about Lazarus, a man covered in sores, lying at the gate of a rich man. We know he was poor, but the text suggests more vulnerability, sickness, hunger, rejection. I believe there are Lazaruses among us today. Individuals we walk past, we cannot see the unseen battle in their bodies, but we walk past them. What if a mitochondrial deficiency is the 21st century version of that Lazarus we found in the Bible with the sores the dogs was licking? What if the man who refuses help is not unwilling, but simply unable to carry the weight of what help demands? We need to start tailoring support systems with energy in mind, not just finances, not just mental health, not just food, but physical energy. Less strings, more rest spaces, more dignity in simplicity. Roofer Rough Sleeper isn't just about shelter. It's about creating a space where people can choose rest or choose connection and choose to heal on their own terms. So, next time when you see someone lying on the sidewalk, don't assume they have failed. They might be a Lazarus living with an energy deficiency, choosing simplicity over suffocation. So let's be the rich man who finally notices. Thanks for listening. Bye.